Hi, welcome to Introduction to Machine Learning session. We are going to discuss about basic of machine learning. Machine learning is the science of programming computers so that can learn from data. So it is not like other traditional program where the program is written for learning the concept or creating knowledge from the data. So then the program will use that knowledge to the application of classification or regression problem. Another definition, machine learning is the field of study that gives the computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So whatever the computer program nowadays we have called as explicit programs, where we are writing the full code of solving the problem, considering all the cases. Whereas under machine learning, we write the program such that the computer will learn and have the ability to learn the concept and the knowledge, then it will solve the problem. So problem solving through knowledge creation. For that we are writing the program. And third definition is program is said to be learned from the experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if the performance on T task set as measured by the P improves with the experience E. That means we can say the program is learning if there is an improvement in the measurement of performance while doing the task T, then it is learning. So there is a definition for a program to learn. Otherwise, when the program is learning, to understand this definition can be useful. So now the types of machine learning. So machine learning, there are three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, we have training set of example with the correct response or outcome, or we call it as target, and then using the data set we will train the model. Then the algorithm while training will generalize the response for all possible inputs. This is called as learning from example. So we have labeled data, we will run the learning algorithm, then it will learn the underlying feature set so that it can classify any other data if you supply as input. Whereas in case of unsupervised learning, we don't have any correct response or target what should be there. The algorithm itself try to identify the classes based on similarity between input data and measuring the similarity and identifying the common feature set or some common fact among the data set. It can group the data or it can categorize the data together, which is called statistical approach. Also reinforcement learning, it's between some supervised learning and unsupervised learning. It's sort of some kind of mixture of the two. The algorithm gets told when the answer is wrong but does not get told how to correct it. It has to explore and try different possibilities until it works out to get the correct answer. It means a trial and error base. It has to apply some strategy and it has to then generate the data outcome for that. If it is workouts, it will again refine the strategy, otherwise it will try other strategy. This is a kind of job under reinforcement learning the program or algorithm is doing.